Good day. I am Jean Tanagbanwa and I will be presenting the proposed systems and analysis design for Trail Limited. Here is the agenda for the presentation. First is a brief introduction about Trail, then we'll go through their current information system analysis, highlighting the company's strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Then we'll go through the proposed project and details such as conceptual design, systems and user interface, and lastly, the implementation plan. Trail Limited is an established Kiwi-owned CRM software that provides a simple yet powerful tool for financial advisors in the broking business to provide accessible and great financial advice to their clients. Trail Solution focuses on providing benefits for financial advisors in these financial areas: mortgage, insurance, and investment. Mortgage solutions focus on lending application preparations, automated loan structure calculations, and mortgage book tracking to provide personalized mortgage recommendations. The software also provides document management, which is user-friendly and easy to read, and is preferred by lenders. Insurance solutions provide users with streamlined client information collection, and interactive and automated documents for advice letters and communications. Insurance providers can also provide their own branded materials and automated client reviews. Lastly, investment solution helps investment advisors build a one-stop shop to manage all investment products, which holds all product details and client information to provide clients with correct investments. For the current information system, Trail Solutions uses a proprietary in-house developed CRM using third-party solutions and integrated into communication software and applications such as Gmail, Outlook, ActiveCampaign, NZBN, Google Maps, website widgets, and MailChimp, or a marketing automation platform. Their existing infrastructure consists of microservices using Azure Platform, .NET Core 6.0 written in C#, Azure SQL Database. The gaps and challenges in this information system is that, first, infrastructure provides limited automation process, reliability and scalability issues, especially when handling peak loads, and lastly, security protocols and compliance with local and government financial regulations. During system analysis, we identified that one of their greatest strengths is being the pioneer of CRM technology, specific for NZ Financial Advisor Network. Their early implementation of cloud technologies made them highly rated in the current market. Having said this, since the company is handling sensitive information, security can be very vulnerable and highly regulated. Opportunities for growing demand for automated and AI solutions on advice processes and decision-making, and expanding customer relationship through client reviews and cross-selling are also identified. This upcoming financial year, the company is focusing on the opportunity to foster partnership with financial institutions such as banks and insurance companies to integrate into the company solutions. Of course, there are threats of increasing competition from local and global CRM solutions such as Salesforce and Fusion 5, and complicated government financial regulations. There is also the inability to adapt to technological trends due to the complexity of the current system, which leads to incurring time and costs. The company's objective is to be a dominant player in the financial market by serving most financial advisors in the country. And one solution we have come up with is to implement an open banking solution. This is to integrate local bank information seamlessly into Trail CRM system, ultimately improving decision-making and enhancing financial advisors' insight and facilitating financial transactions. For the conceptual design, we will be developing an API gateway to serve as an interface between the bank and the in-house system using RESTful API. In addition to this, approvals and government regulation must be adhered to for this new solution, so we are closely working with authorities and monitoring the changes in the guidelines. Another part of the design is to create a dashboard with consolidated information from different banks for each client. This will allow financial advisor an easier way to provide better financial advice based on the accurate and comprehensive information from the banks. For the systems and user interface design, the data will be processed from the bank's dashboard's client's overview menu, and the API will be called from the analyzed data from the bank and display recent bank transactions and loan information in the system. As for the implementation plan, we will be following the systems development process model that will start from requirement analysis and scoping to gather all information and requirements. In this phase, we will also define scope and interface technology requirement, consult third-party vendors with approved connected exposure policy, and identify risks and align stakeholders. This will be followed by system design and prototyping. Since we'll be integrating into the system, we will be following the current company's UI and UX requirement. We will also be creating system design documents and integration flow, and gather feedback and approval from business and pilot users. Then we will proceed with the development and testing, which will consist of all landscape tests and UAT. For the development and the data security, we will implement tokenization, secure key management and encryption, and configure interface connections. For CRM integration, we will develop APIs to receive bank API information and synchronize CRM system data and open banking data. Testing will also include test performance and volume handling tests. Target deployment will be on Q3 of 2025 and will include deployment in production environment and monitor regulatory compliance. We will also make sure to run regular security checks to ensure to this compliance. Lastly, for training and support, we will conduct formal trainings for financial advisors, users, and administrators, produce user documents and FAQs pages, and set up support team and post-launch queries. Continued training and support for the next month will be done with a total duration of approximately 6 months for the whole project. Again, this is the proposed MIS systems and analysis design for Trail Limited. These are resources for your reference. Thank you and have a good day.